It's day 2 of the Subway pre-carnival slim down boot camp here at the Grassroots Tennis Club.
Speed up, inside, outside.
Already we're seeing improvements from yesterday where we've got more people coming, and we've also got those who started yesterday getting better at the movements.
We have 2 instructors, Fitzy, who works at a couple of gyms here, does a lot of personal training that I've heard he's a little tough, but you see results. And then we also have Clint, who's more of the soaker side, to the soaker and the aerobics and the, so that's, you know, hoping to get the energy flowing.
Even within 24 hours, they seem to be getting fitter and they're getting the movements more coordinated.